El representante de UNICEF na Aruba estava em 3 dias de trabalho intensivo e assim com diferentes órgãos importantes de nosso país. A organização de Iglesia na Aruba e a Hata também arranha a oportunidade aqui. A UNICEF quer que conjuntamente mostrasse cambio e se a comunidade está mais consciente de direitos de muitas nas futuras gerações, está de bom passo.
Nós muchanan me seta proteger, pero também me será sinan consciente de na norma e valor. Respeito é ponto essencial. Na momento que você dá respeito, você receber essa aqui também.
Nanta hopi costan ku eta punto ng di palavra di Jesus definitivamente antobra amete quer na implicação grande para saúde não somente de persona individual para de intero país visão que vários e pastora nang kutirebe isla kinanan ta share ku bosa corpo de Cristo ku nota nino corpo de Cristo antobra em vez de o que costam que tá separados banta madura anto ay costan kuta uninos kuta Jesus.
Assim está na mesa com o setor privado, onde o hopi ponto importante a bindilante.
To discuss how we could basically work together as a community to protect the rights of children. It was a very constructive and very helpful discussion. Individual businesses as well. I mean, we're all aware that the tourism is the predominant economic sector of the country. 90% of the jobs and 90% of employment depends on tourism. And so consequently, what is in the best interests of the associates is obviously very important to a successful tourism industry, and ensuring that they feel comfortable about their children is very important to us. I know a number of individual hotels have developed very, very comprehensive childcare programs for their associates, which I think is very, very, very good, and that this could happen. And we were talking about different ways in which the businesses and the tourism sector as a whole can move that agenda forward. So it was a very good discussion.
A reunião estava interessante, mirando a discussão riba diferentes situações de trabalho que tem.
The workers, what type of conditions, for instance, to pregnant mothers and so on, it's part of it. Also, they told us of initiatives that they have taken, in terms of parental skills and courses to give to their staff, and how we can do better. They are concerned also about how can we improve the quality of the education so that we have Arubans that can go in and contribute to the hotel industry. I'm very concerned about the income stream. We don't have enough taxes to cover the budget over the coming 15, 20 years. What can the hotel industry do in that context? And they said, well, what we need is tranquility, less uncertainties around the playing ground and so on. So there needs to be a dialogue over the coming years, because Aruba cannot be sustainable over the coming 15, 20 years unless it increases the income stream. But it's a problem for the whole Caribbean. The countries are too small to resist the pressures of companies that want tax breaks. But if you don't have enough taxes, you're not going to be sovereign countries. You're going to gradually deteriorate because you will not have enough money for your fundamental services. So this is part of an important debate that needs to take place between the different sectors of society. So I think it was very useful to start breaking the silence around some of these issues.
Para ATV Canal G5, Amita Farah Bukhout.
Pesco sinta con differenti istanze, na ultimo lo sinta con il Ministro di Lavoro Sociale e Juventud para assina deliberare il rapporto con il papia para o mês com a Aruba da atender com o assunto de direito de mulher.